Chapter 12, review number 2. Because this is a cross inside the circle and we're looking for how long something is, you're going to just follow the line. So 4 times 15 equals 5 times x. Divide both sides by 5. This will give me 60 on this side. Divide both sides by 5. And so 12 equals x. Next one. Again, crosses inside. I'm looking for a length, so just follow the line. 9 times 3 equals 18 times x. So 27 is equal to 18x. Divide both sides by 18, and you get 1.5 equals x. Next one, again, crosses inside the circle, so you follow the lines. 9 times 16 equals 12 times x. 9 times 16 is going to give you 144. It's going to equal 12x. Divide both sides by 12. So 12 equals x. All right, next one you have comes to a point outside of the circle. So you're going to take what's outside 4 times the total distance. So that's x plus 4 equals outside is 3 times the total distance. So that's 3 plus 13. So this will give me 16. So using the distributive property, 4x plus 16 equals 3 times 16, which is 48. Divide both sides by 16. And so 4x equals 32. So x equals 8. Outside again, but there's only one line. It doesn't go through. It's not a secant. So you square it. 18 squared is equal to the outside, which is 10, times the whole line, which is x plus 10. 18 squared is going to give me 324 is equal to 10x plus 100. Subtract 100 from both sides. And so then you get 224 is equal to 10x. Divide both sides by 10. And so you get 22 is equal to x. All right, again, one line outside. So 12 squared is equal to, outside is x times the whole thing, which is going to be x plus 18. So 144 is equal to x squared plus 18x. Get all your numbers on one side. So subtract 144 from both sides. So this will give you 0 is equal to x squared plus 18x minus 144. So I'm going to have to use the x factor. So what two numbers multiply together are going to give me 44, negative 144. And when I add them, I get 18. And it comes out to be 24, a positive 24 because this is positive, and a negative 6. So those are the two I'm going to use. So x plus 24 times x minus 6 equals 0. So if one of these is 0, then the whole thing is 0. So I'm going to try to make this equal 0 by making that a negative 24 would make that 0. And if I put a 6 in here, that would make that 0. So here's my answer, negative 24 and 6. But a negative 24 doesn't work because you can't have a distance of a negative 24. So my answer is 6. Okay, again, these are crossing inside. So I need to multiply them and just follow the line. So 12 times x is equal to 9 times 6. So 54. So 12x is equal to 54. Divide both sides by 12. And so then you get x equals 4.5.
These came out after we emptied the hole puncher.
Okay, yeah, those are mine.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, and then the next one is cross inside again. So it's going to be 6 times 4 equals 8 times m. And so 24 is equal to 8m. So 3 is equal to m. And the next one is going to be 6 times m is equal to 9 times 2. So 6m is equal to 18. Divide both sides by 6, so m is equal to 3. All right, the next one, you're looking for an angle. They cross inside. So you add the two arcs together and then divide it by 2. So 40 plus 52 divided by 2. That'll give me 92 divided by 2, which is equal to 46. The next is an inscribed angle, so it's half of the arc. So 92 divided by 2 is going to give me 46. And the next one is a tangent and a secant. So first I got to find out how much this arc is. So there's 360 degrees in a circle. I'm going to subtract the 160 from it, and that'll give me 200. So this arc over here is 200.